Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge. I just thought it would be fun to sit down and do my first ever challenge here. Oh my god, my eyebrows are atrocious. I don't have my phone on me, so I am going to be filming or using my computer timer to do this. I know, this is like janky, but like I'm gonna work with what we got, okay? So I am going to press start on this and we're gonna see how well I fare doing my makeup in 5 minutes. I gotta say, even though I do minimal makeup on a daily basis before I go to work, it usually takes me about 10 to 12 minutes. So yeah, we're just gonna have to see exactly how much I can get done in this period of time. I gotta say, I don't know if I'm super confident about this, but we're gonna give it our best shot. So without further ado, we're gonna hit start in 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh my god, okay, primer. If I can't, I might not be talking too much during this just because, you know, I talk too much and I get distracted and yeah. Okay, we're gonna go with the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, 2 pumps of my Y6. Buff that into my skin, and I know that when I'm editing this I'm not going to fast forward anything, so you guys can see in real time what's happening and that you know I'm not cheating and I don't want to look at the clock. Okay. Oh god, 4 minutes and 17 seconds. Okay, I need a not. This is terrifying. Okay. Alright. I feel like half the time is gone already. My foundation looks patchy AF because I'm not blending it well. Okay, anyway, concealer going in with my Makeup Revolution. Under my eyes. There we go. Down the bridge of my nose. Forehead. And then I'm going to spot conceal with my Colourpop. Wow. Tornado situation going on. Anyway, how are y'all doing? While I'm like over here struggling. Anyway, okay. Just gonna paint that all over my face. Okay, 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Holy crap. Okay. I have my brush ready. Things are falling. Wow. You would think it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes to put on like the basics, but you thought wrong, didn't you? Actually, I've seen these YouTubers do these videos and they do like lashes and everything, and I'm like sitting there in awe like, how do you do that? Okay, we're not gonna bother with eyeshadow or anything today because Lord knows I don't have time. Okay, we're already down to about halfway and this is not okay. Why is time going by so fast? Oh my god. Okay, all right, we don't have time for that. I'm gonna quickly set my face with this translucent powder by Hard Candy. Just gonna all over my face. It's flying everywhere. But it is hot outside and I actually do plan on running errands today, so we gotta work with what we got. All right, I'm not putting that back until later. Okay, bronzer. What's the time? Oh my god, did my computer seriously lock itself out? Okay, 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Oh my god, 2 minutes. All right, blush. I can do this, you guys. I can really do this. Burt's Bees. Maple, I can't play with you right now. All right, highlight. Then take my part highlight. Oh my god, 1 minute 41 seconds. And my R36. Okay. I may not have time for any freaking... Yes, Maple. I know, mommy's proud of you. Okay, quick brow gel action. Oh my god. Isn't it weird how I don't prioritize my eyebrows? A lot of people are like, what the heck? How do you not do eyebrows first? And I'm like, sometimes I forget to do them all together. All right. a minute left. We have a minute left, okay? I'm not even gonna like, I'm gonna barely curl my lashes. Okay, apply some mascara. All right, I think we're in pretty good shape here. Oh my god, you guys, I didn't even go in with lash primer. What am I doing with my life? Okay, 42 seconds. 42 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna quickly apply this e.l.f. lipstick in the shade Touch of Nude, because I am not about to be messing with a liquid lipstick right now. Okay. 24 seconds, 24 seconds. Wait, first I need to add some lower lash mascara. Okay. My brows are a mess. Please ignore that. But now, final step. Setting spray, 8 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys, I just did it. Can you see? Oh my god, this is the worst video ever. I'm so sorry. I'm clearly not technologically savvy, but I just had 0 seconds, and I'm sure that if you were to like break down from like the YouTube timestamp, you would see it was actually 5 minutes. But yeah, okay, so let's just scoot on closer and break down the face. So I definitely, my eyebrows are a mess. I need to like go in and redo those. Also, they're like caterpillars because I need to go get them done. Foundation definitely is a little bit patchy just because of my application. I was obviously rushing, so I still see a lot of my imperfections peeking through on my forehead. But other than that, I don't think it was too bad. Like, I was able to get a decently fine look, and this is the kind of look I would wear to work every day anyway. So not too shabby, not too shabby. All right, guys, and that completes this video. I hope you liked it. It was definitely a whirlwind and my first time, I think, ever timing myself to do a 5-minute challenge. But yeah, I mean, here we are. Leave me a comment down below of what you would like to see next. And I hope this wasn't too hectic and ratchet for you. I mean, it's kind of fun, not gonna lie. Got to really test my skill there, but not that you call a basic look like this skill, but it was what I could do in 5 minutes and be decently okay with it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.